It's like, that's not a good
That
argument.
would be me. All right, this is Mathed Up on the Road once again. We are in downtown Detroit, but we're going to meet the Lieutenant Governor and talk to him about math. Let's get into it. What was your relationship with math?
Well, I'm an engineer. I liked math.
So pretty good. Pretty good, right?
I liked math. I wasn't scared of it. I liked that even though there was one answer, there were still like a few different ways you could get to it. You could see that different people and the way their brains work differently.
What was the highest level of math that you got to?
I majored in computer engineering and computer science, so
Okay.
I did like discrete mathematics. I did basically the kind of physics that's basically math when I was in school. So I did a lot of math.
That's more than me. Yeah. Woof. So who was the most influential teacher in your life?
I mean, I had several. I mean, I guess I would start with Mrs. Gilbert, who I had for third grade, and my first teacher when I moved to Farmington, who gave me confidence and challenged me and told me I needed glasses. That was important. Another one I'd call out would be Mr. Eaton, who was a social studies teacher I had in middle school. Did a kind of an NCAA tournament bracket on what was the most significant moment in history. Came down to the finals of like World War II versus the invention of fire. I won with World War II, but it was like we had to have this whole debate about it. It was like a lot of fun.
Wow. That's a tough final.
The kid who had fire, he was just like, hey, well, you can't have the war without fire.